Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And I love drugstore makeup. So if that's interest you, please consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I had a really warm tone look. To transform it, I have a little bit more blush. I changed the eye, the lips, and the blush is looking like too much, so but it's looking cute. So yeah, let's start with the video. So I have bought a bunch of makeup from purple.com because there was some beauty bonanza. I don't know, some sale was there and I bought a bunch of makeup. So let's just quickly do this. Is going to be a mini haul. Like, I have not that much. I am slightly reducing my makeup consumption because I already have so much makeup. So yeah, let's just get started. So the first is this beautiful palette by NYB, and this is a NYB haul. Basically everything is NYB. So look at it, it's really unique. And I was eyeing for this the longest time, and I was like, let's just wait for a sale. It's purple, it will have like 40-50% off. So yeah, I got it for 195, I guess. Look at it, so good. I don't have any of such color story, and let me just swatch the blue. It's really pretty, and it's a very unique blue. See, it's a very pretty blue. Then the green. Okay, so the shadows are buildable. They are not like extremely pigmented, which is good for a beginner. And I'm not a pro, so I prefer something which is beginner friendly. See, so pretty, the shades are so pretty. And let me just swatch all of the shades. This is the middle shade. It's a very pretty pinky nude, shimmery shade. And this is a transition shade. Now moving on to this row. Man, they are so soft to touch. Wow, look at this shimmer. Wow, it's like really pretty, yeah. Oh my god. Now the matte. Wow, this palette. Let me just swatch the black. Now this is black with glitters. Okay. Wow, this is really pretty. I hope you can see. This is beautiful. The palette is gorgeous. The shimmers are really beautiful. The mattes are good. You can see they are really good, and I'm shook, you guys. I have their single pan shadow, and that was really pretty. That's why when I saw this, I was eyeing for this, but I was waiting for a sale. So yeah, I'm so happy. And all the transition look really cohesive. They are going with the shade palette is like cool tone. The shades are cool tone, and every shade is really cohesive. And this is, I think, a very well thought palette. See, and it's a very unique palette. I don't have oh my god, it's a really pretty. I'm really impressed by the quality of this one. I'm still not over with the quality of the shadow palette. And now let's just talk about this concealer. So this is the NYB concealer, HD spotless liquid concealer. So I have this in the shade 3, dark and white chocolate pretzel. This is the shade name. Yeah, that's the shade name. Really, I don't know who gave this name. Like, it's a weird. Okay, so this is the concealer, and this is like lipstick packaging, like a little bit long. Yeah, we have a doe foot. Okay, the doe foot is flexible, which is like, I'm seeing this a lot these days. So this is a swatch. Okay, it's looking a shade lighter than my complexion, but when I'm blending it in, yeah, it's like, I think this will match me when I will blend this into my skin. Yeah, so I have to try this, and then I can only tell you how I like this. Like, it's really blendable. It's like with blending so quickly. That's a good thing. So the next is this blush. So this is the NYB blush, and when I saw this, I was like, so basically they have so many shades, and there were 2 mauves. And if you guys know me, I have an addiction to mauve shades. I love mauve shade, it's my favorite. So I bought this shade mauve aurora, and I was like, let's just see like what is the quality, and then I will buy another one. When I swatched it, I was like, instant regret. Why didn't I got the second shade? There are 2 mauves, and now I want that, and it's like out of stock. Of course, it's mauve. Everybody, I think, likes mauve. I don't know. So this is like on discount. It was just 150 rupees. Can you guys believe that? It's a very good. See, it's very compact. But so when I saw this, I was like, maybe 3 grams, but it is 5 gram. It is so cute. See, it's so tiny, but it still have a lot of product, and I was like really happy. So this does not comes with a mirror, and see, so pretty. If you guys also love mauve, and this is so smooth to touch, and I don't know, it does not feels like a 150 rupees blush, to be honest. Like, packaging is okay, but it is not that flimsy, you know. And this is the shade mauve Aurore. Of course, it is a blush, it will not be like pigmented like eyeshadow. So here you can see it's like quite pigmented. And this is the blush I have on underneath. I have another blush. So yeah, it's a very pretty blush, and I'm like, I will wait, you know, I will check purple.com every day to check the other mauve is in stock or not. It is so pretty, and just 150 rupees, a steal deal. Okay, I also got their highlighter in the same cute packaging. It's so tiny, and I love them. You know, if you already have a lot of makeup, you just want to try different brands and formula, yeah, so you don't need like huge pans. See, so cute, so cute. The packaging is so adorable. If you want something for travel, this will be perfect. And this is the shade rustic gold, I guess. So this is a gold, you know, rose gold, and this is so soft to touch. Again, 5 grams. So I'm going to swatch this. See, such a pretty rose gold highlighter. Let's just try this. I don't have highlighter today. Okay, now I'm going to take this tapered fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply this. Wow, so pretty. Of course, this highlighter, it will exaggerate a little bit of texture, as you can see my texture, but see, such a pretty shade. Wow, I like it. If you have texture, highlighter will enhance it, of course, but if you don't mind that, you will like it. I like it. This one I have to check on discount how much was the price of this one, but I really like it. The MRP is 275. Wow, this is so pretty, so smooth also. So yeah, I have already tested these two products out, and I love them, and I will highly recommend. The quality does not feels like a 250 or 150 200 products. These are really good. Okay, next is this foundation. So as winter is approaching, my skin is Sahara Desert dry, so I got this Dewy Drop Liquid Foundation. This is the NYB Dewy Drop Liquid Foundation, and my shade is Latte. I just guessed, you know, my shade from the website, and I think the website is pretty damn accurate. So this is the shade, as you can see, a perfect match. And I don't know, it's magic. How does this happen? I think the website is too good. So it comes with this. I hope you can see. So I'm trying to remove this topper to get foundation, and I will, you know, not keep this topper. You know, see, I will not keep this topper. So that's that. Now the only con is you have to just take it like this, and you have to, you know, take it like this. I don't know how to use this foundation, because like, how would I get it out from the bottle? Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to use my flat shader brush, I guess. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I got it. So this is the shade. It's a perfect skin tone match. Once I blend it, see, it's a perfect skin tone match. I'm really happy with the match, but it's kind of difficult to get out, you know, to take out this foundation. It's not runny as well. So see, you know, it's upside down and nothing is coming out. So I'm guessing it's a thick foundation. We have to test this out. The packaging sucks. I think the product is good. Yeah, we will see in, you know, testing out new makeup again. The last thing I got is this beauty blender. So this is by Blue Heaven. I really like this beauty blender, and I have bought 2 of these. So yeah, as you can see, this is the one that I used today, and this is the, you know, not used one. I will show you the comparison quickly. So this is dry. I dropped it. This is the dry, and this is the wet. See the difference, and it's like really soft. See, and I was waiting for this sponge to restock anywhere from 1 year. Literally from 1 year I was not able to grab this. As soon as I saw this, I was like, I need it. So yeah, it is the best affordable sponge according to me. See, it's like really squishy and soft. So yeah, I'm really happy, and I'm going to keep this as it is. Like, once I will, you know, this will be expired, I will use this one, and these are really inexpensive, and I think they are the best affordable sponges available in Indian market by an Indian brand, of course. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.